Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. If you landed on this page, it's because you're online right now looking for a way to make money from home, and that is what my page is. I show you ways to make money from home, online, and offline. Today I'm here with Press One Cash. You've seen me talk about this the last few months. This is a awesome software, guys, that allows people that's looking to make money from home to dial your number. You're going to be assigned a number like this one. Call this number from your cell phone. All you got to do is share a number. Everybody can share a number. Okay? I'm using this postcard to do that. I'm not going to show you the rest of the information on here, but this postcard will pay you $200 every time someone joins you in Press One Cash, okay? That's 10 of those $20 bills, okay? How simple is that? As you can see right here, I already have some postcards ready to roll that are made at Office Depot. Very, very cheap, okay? Simple, easy. Drop these postcards in the mail. Share your Press One number. When someone calls this number and they press 1, it's going to take you to my Press One website, okay? It's going to do all the selling and telling for me. All I have to do is mail these cards, and this system will do the selling and telling once they watch the video. And if they have any questions, they can call me. Otherwise, they will join, and I get paid $200, okay? You can get my template if you join me. I will go ahead and put your information on the postcard, email it to you, get them printed out. It's just that simple, guys. You can do this offline. You can do it online as well, however you want to do it. But it's real easy to do these postcards, okay? Simply sharing a number, okay? So I'm going to put the link below. Get started with me and Press One Cash. Call that number. Check it out. Share a number. Anyone can do that and drop a postcard in the mail, okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? I look forward to you joining me in Press One Cash. Very simple, easy texting platform. Everybody carries around a cell phone. You're going to collect phone numbers as well, okay? So when people dial this number from their cell phone, it sends you their phone number in your back office, okay? You can follow up with these people as well. Easy, simple, guys. Mail postcards for Press One Cash, all right? Click the link below. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.